In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the PCV valve on this Jeep Wrangler with a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine. It's located at the top of your engine, so let's get started. On the driver's side of your engine, right next to your air intake, you'll see the PCV valve right here. Remove the hose from it, then with a 10mm socket, unbolt it. Now you should be able to pull the PCV valve out. It has an O-ring, so that's, if it's stuck, that's what it's going to be stuck on. Just work it back and forth, and there it is. Clean anything that leaked out. Put a little bit of oil on the O-ring of the new PCV valve. That way it'll slide in a lot easier. Bottom it out by hand. Don't pull it in with the bolt, otherwise it could snap the ear off and then you'll need a new one again. Reinstall the bolt by hand to make sure it's not cross-threading, and then bottom it out. Snug it very slightly, about 1/8 of a turn after it bottoms out. It is going into a fitting that's holding onto plastic, and really this does not need to be extremely tight. Get your PCV hose. If it's in poor condition, replace it and put it on. And there you have it. That's replaced.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.